question. Now here what happens, that major issues are coming. Patentability, ownership issue. Patentability itself is a major issue. Ownership is a major issue. Probably novelty is there, that, but again sometimes establishing that novelty may be issue, right? Then non-obviousness related, like test of non-obviousness, how exactly you are applying to that. So that may be the issue. So it will change case to case. So we have to check when we are talking about any invention. Now I will talk about an invention, because when we go for a patent activity, we say that patent is given to the invention. Obviously we have learned that invention, innovation, if they qualify that 3 criteria, section 3 if we are talking about India, section 4 if it is in India, then we go for the patenting of that particular, that product or that whatever the offering is then, right. In patent we are talking about a product or a process actually, right. So here the issue comes related to the mainly ownership. Machine cannot be the owner, that is a very common thing, everybody knows that, and Act does not allow